Hi all, it's Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench, and welcome back to my shop. Thanks for stopping in. I appreciate the visit. This is a boy, oh boy, I got to learn how to talk here. This is a short update on the USACC build. So I'm doing this build out of box. I'm not doing anything fancy with it. So I have a lot of the engine built already, and it's again right out of the box. I didn't do anything fancy dancy. I didn't even wire it. I didn't strip the chrome, nothing. I'm just really doing it right out of box, just like I was a brand new modeler and just assembling the parts and painting naturally. So I've got that. I've got to get naturally, I got to get the headers and exhaust on there yet, and the pulleys and belts and stuff on it, fan, but that's going to be ready to go. I started working on the chassis. I have the front end mounted in with suspension. I have these pieces here, and I think I know how they go on. I'm not a Chevy guy, but I mean, these are pretty much common across other brands. I got to really look. I think I know how they get attached, but I'm not sure, so that's why I didn't attach them yet. So that's going to be ready to go there. I am just using the wheels and tires out of the box, and I actually do like those wheels. So again, it's right out of the box, nothing fancy. I've got the interior tub painted, and I'm doing that in semi-gloss black. Again, nothing fancy. The seats aren't glued in yet. They're just setting in there. And I have the side panels almost finished. I have a little bit more detailing to do on those, a little bit more of the chrome and stuff. I think I want to do these. I think they're speaker openings. I want to do some of that stuff yet in chrome. So that's that. I did the center console and put some photo etch on it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use that center console or not. I may just put, I may just use the shifter coming off the floor. I haven't decided that yet. So that's that. I have the radiator and the radiator stuff, and I have the battery mounted and some detail on that. So that's actually ready to get installed. I have the body painted. Now this is a first coat. Actually, there's two coats on here. I may put another one on it. You can see I still have the tape in it so that I didn't get my interior roof all boogered up with the blue. And this is a Tamiya metallic blue. I like that color. It's really nice. So I got that. I did the hood. Got to get it on camera. I did the hood, and that's also taped because the bottom of the hood is flat black or semi-gloss black. So that's on there, and that's right out of the spray gun. I didn't do anything else to that. That's right out of the spray gun. And then some of the other body parts, the lower bumpers, and one of the air wings or air scoops. So that's all on there. So I'm actually making quite a bit of progress on that. But it's because it's out of the box. I am really not doing anything more than just right out of box. It's kind of interesting because I haven't done a model out of box in a long time. And it's interesting. Oh, I have the dash here, and I am going to do some detailing. I have some photo etch. I think there's photo etch for the dash, but I also have decals for the gauges and that. It does come with a chrome steering wheel, which I found kind of weird. So I am going to be stripping that chrome off so that I can more easily paint the steering wheel. Other than that, I think that's it for the USACC update. I think the next time you see this will be a finished car. So we're coming up on that close date really fast. I think it's March the 15th. I think it's what it is. So that's it for now. We're bugging along here. We're moving along. So, hey, if you like this video, even if you didn't, smack that thumbs up and give me a like. And not just for me, it helps the hobby. More people get to see videos, and even if they don't look at mine, they may look at yours or somebody else's and, you know, say, wow, that's a great hobby to be in. Let's join in that hobby. So we'll get more people into the hobby. Also, I don't produce a lot of videos, so smack that subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing. And after you hit the subscribe button, set the bell to be notified for all of my updates. Again, I only do maybe one video a month, maybe two if it strikes me, but usually it's only one a month. I have so many projects running on my bench at one time that you know, before I'm ready to make some sort of a video, it's a while. So anyway, I'm rambling on. So again, give it a like, smack that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber, and ring the bell for all. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.